everyone, it's Eilish and it is International Coffee Day today. I'm about to tell you the best places on how to get free coffees and give you a little rundown of the top loyalty schemes. Now there'll be more than what I'm just mentioning here, I'm just giving you my top little free coffee things. So sit back, snuggle up, grab yourself a coffee and get listening to my top tips. Number one, Costa. Costa Coffee have a great loyalty scheme where you can earn 5 points per pound. And what do points make? Prizes. You can save your points to get free coffee at the end. I was actually in Costa yesterday and the guy told me that there's a guy who comes in who has over £200 saved up in points. That's bonkers. You can redeem those points on not just coffee, you can redeem it on any of the cakes, any of the food items, it's entirely up to you. There's also a 100-point sign-up bonus as well, so when you sign up you automatically get 100 points. They have an app as well, so you can get the card in store or you can get the app. With the app you can also scan it not only in actual coffee shops, Costa coffee shops, but in the Costa to go sections in petrol stations or Tesco's, that type of thing as well, so it's still redeemable. Next up, Costa's biggest rival, it is Starbucks. Now Starbucks have just launched their brand new loyalty scheme. They had a previous scheme which was good but you didn't really get much bang for your buck, whereas now you get 3 stars for every £1 spent. So the more you spend, the more stars you get, whereas you only got 1 star no matter what you spent last time. Once you earn 150 stars, you get a free drink. And it's any drink of your choice, any size, any syrups, entirely up to you. Also, they have 2 levels. They have their green level, which is what you are automatically brought in on, and they have your gold level. Now with your gold level, you have to earn 450 stars in 1 year. So it's 150 to get your free drink, you need to earn 450 over the entire year to move up to gold level. You then get discounts like free syrups, free whipped cream, free non-dairy milk, I think, and you also get a free drink on your birthday with their gold member. Next up, we have a Cafe Nero. Now this is one of my personal favourites. So not only do they have their standalone loyalty scheme, which is a stamp scheme, so they did have the little cards, it's now all on their app. You scan the app and you automatically get a stamp. There's loads of offers on the app, especially when you first sign up, so it's worth getting it because I think after your first purchase you get a free coffee and that type of thing. There's always good offers on. Once you get 9 stamps, I think you get a free coffee. Don't quote me on that. You know what? I'm gonna go check. Here's one I prepared earlier. This is what their old stamp cards look like, and this is what it looks like on the app. There we go, you can see. I wonder if they'll still take this. So it's 9 stamps. Collect 9 stamps, you get your 10 to drink free. That would make sense, Eilish, wouldn't it? But not only does Cafe Nero have their stamp scheme, they also are in association with O2 Priority. If you're an O2 mobile customer, you get a free drink every Tuesday or Wednesday from Cafe Nero from 12 o'clock midday. All you need to do is press use now voucher, show it your Cafe Nero, and they'll make you a drink of their choice. I think this excludes their seasonal drinks, and I don't think you can get coconut milk, but you can get soya milk if you are vegan or you don't drink normal milk, like myself. And it's on any drink, iced or hot. Also, their mochas are amazing. 2 ways to get a free drink with Cafe Nero. Download their app, become their loyalty scheme customer, and if you're on O2, you get a free drink every single week. Next up, we have Pret. Pret a manger. Now they have just launched a brand new scheme, and this is unlike anything I've just spoken about. They have launched a £20 a month subscription service. And what this is you pay £20 and you get all your drinks for free. This includes your hot drinks, this includes hot coffees, teas, frappes, seasonal drinks, all of this all for free. The only catch is you can only redeem this 5 times a day, and that has to be 30 minutes between each time. If terms and conditions are changing, I'm really sorry. Make sure you read the terms and conditions before you sign up to any of this. I'm just speaking what I think I know. Normally you're averaging about £3 to £5 anyway on a drink. So if you're going Monday to Friday, you already have spent that £20. It's such a good deal. And you also get 1 month for free. Am I tempted to sign up to this? Yes. Put a comment below. Should I sign up to the Pret subscription service? Because I am so tempted. And if you guys tell us to, I probably will. So then we have two more. We have McDonald's. Any hot drink you get from McDonald's, you get a little card on the bottom and a sticker. You peel the sticker off, pop it on the card. It looks like this. Once you've got 6 stickers, you get 1 free drink. Now, this only lasts a year. It has the little expiry date on the bottom and also on the stickers. What I tend to do is actually redeem it for a homeless person. It's just a nice little gesture. And this is on any hot drink. This is their mochas, their coffees, their espressos. Great way to get a free coffee. And last but not least, you guys know I'm from Newcastle. It is the birthplace. It's good old Greggs. They have their Greggs reward schemes. So with every 7 coffees you purchase, just scan the app and you'll get your 8th one for free. It's really worth signing up to the Greggs rewards because you also get a free treat on your birthday, any sweet treat. They quite often will just add a reward to your account, whether it be free crisps, a free drink, free popcorn, that type of thing. I've had a lot of rewards through Greggs. And you're also entered into a prize draw, so it's worth it. If you find yourself going to Greggs often, you might as well get that 8th coffee for free. So to recap, we have Costa Coffee and their loyalty scheme. We have Starbucks and their upgraded loyalty scheme, where you can get a free coffee on both of them. We have a Cafe Nero. Not only do they have a loyalty scheme, but they also are on O2 and you get a free drink every single week. We then have Pret and their brand new subscription service. Again, let us know if you're signing up and let us know if I should sign up. And we have McDonald's, get a free drink after 6 drinks, and last but not least, Greggs, where you get a free drink after buying 7 of theirs. Whew. I think it's time for me to go get a well-deserved coffee. Let me know any of the ones that I've missed down below. Let me know your favourites. Let us know your favourite coffee shop. I can't wait to hear. Also, let us know your coffee orders. I'm so intrigued about what people order. If you don't like coffee, do you like tea? You can redeem these on tea as well, don't worry. What should I try next in all of these coffee shops? Remember to follow latest free stuff on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter. We're on all sorts. Give me a follow, I'm Eilish, and have a wonderful International Coffee Day. Bye guys.